Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn blend and chamfer in NX CAD software. In the Siemens NX, edge blend command used to round sharp edges between faces. The radius can be constant or variable. This post will show how to create an edge blend with constant radius, conic edge blend, and edge blend with variable radius, edge blend with corner setback, and edge blend with stop short of corner. For this you have to go menu, then insert, then detail feature, and click on edge blend. Okay, we will see this in NX CAD software. Here I have already drawn a geometry. We will go to edge blend. Here select edge and give the radius at which you want the blade and click OK. Likewise, go to chamfer command, click on edge and give the distance of chamfer. So this is how you can apply the chamfer and edge blend. Okay. Thank you.